Hey y'all, what's up? It's me. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, hi, I'm Megan. Welcome. So tonight, it's nighttime when I'm filming this, we're going to be doing like a dark, vampy look. This look. And it's just my makeup's already done. We're just gonna be going over a palette that I got, and we're gonna be recreating this look on this eye. It is going to be using the Beauty Bakerie Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Let me move my brushes real quick. This is what it looks like. It comes with these dark, like cool tone colors. So I was really feeling like a cool tone kind of look. And Robert just came home. He brought me a Dr. Pepper, so shout out to him for being the best. So, like I was saying, we're going to be doing this look on this eye. We are going to be using this palette. It's cool tone. I was feeling that grungy, cool tone, fall-like look. And I used 3 colors for this look. I used this middle one up here, Forehead Kisses. I used Yawning, and I used Cuddle Cakes. Lately, I've been really enjoying like the look of a halo eye, but instead of doing like a bright glitter in the middle, I do like a dark, vampy, grungy color, and I just think it looks so pretty. So that's what we're going to be doing tonight. Quick, easy, didn't have a lot to go into this, so we're going to go on and get started. So I grabbed a big fluffy brush, and I just used Forehead Kisses just to have it all up. You know how it is. You know how I do it. All up in my middle, well, not my middle, up in my upper crease. I just work that in, kind of brush it up into my eyebrows so it's nice and blended. I want most of it to be like where the purple berry color meets, just to give it the purple something to kind of like blend and fade into. And I want to keep it pretty rounded. I'm not going to wing it out as much as normal. And this eye's not even done blending. I wanted to wait until I was done with this eye and use this brush to blend out those edges a little bit more. But I didn't want to do it with this brush until I was done so that the berry color didn't get picked up in here and then mess with this eye look. Next, I'm going to go in with, it's not super flat, it's kind of like condensed and kind of rounded flat. I don't know. It just worked really good at getting into my crease so that it had a nice blend right there. And I'm going to go in with Yawning and just really pack that on so it's dark and vampy. And I started on the outer corner. I kind of stamp it down so that I know kind of where I want the color to be. And then I start wiggling and blending it in. Keeping it rounded, keeping it rounded. We're building it up, we're blending, and then we're moving to the inner corner. Stamping that down, and then blending with the curve. Then I'm taking this flat brush I have, dipping into Cuddle Cakes, really loading it on, and then just putting that in the middle. What I like about this Cuddle Cakes color, it's dark and bronzy, but also the reflex in it bring a little bit of light, so it's not too dark. It's just like the perfect grungy dark shade. Going back with that purple brush, just no more shade, just kind of buffing right along the edges of that shimmer color so it's not super harsh. And then the easy part, I take this tiny pencil brush, go into Yawning, and then just swoop down into my under eye. There is a crazy amount of fallout with this. That's the only thing that I can find about this palette that I'm not too fond of, but I can work with it. And then going back in with Cuddle Kisses right on that lower lash line in the shimmy, shimmy that back and forth. There is that. Then I'm gonna go in with forehead kisses, and this is when I'm just gonna buff that. And then just keep building up that purple now. Right in there. And I'm not blending this part out now. I'm gonna keep this to the middle of the dark colors. And just push the way out like that. That way I can really get that dark purple. So now to complete this look, I'm gonna put on black eyeliner on my bottom and upper lash line. I'm going to put on mascara on my upper and lower lash line, and then I'm going to put on a dramatic lash, a lip, and this look will be complete. So I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. Lashes are on, lips are on, and here is the final look. So dramatic, long, wispy lash, dark eyes, vampy lips. My favorite kind of look, personally. I just love it. I really like this palette. It's a very nice, like, cool tone palette for if you like cooler tones. I mostly gravitate towards warmer tones with the dark vampy lip, but I'm living dead for this look. I really like it. And so have fun recreating it. I hope you get inspiration from this look and all that stuff I should be saying as a makeup YouTuber. I hope you all are having a great day, a great night, wherever you are when you're watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!